Good morning, students. Now we will study the fifth chapter, that is articles, with a story here. So we will start with, there are three sisters, A and the. The is the eldest one, and A and An are the twins that are indefinite articles. The is a definite article. So let's study indefinite articles with some examples and how and when it is used with the nouns that begin with consonants. Now students, all of you remember what are consonants, right? The letters that are not vowels, they are like B, C, D and all till Z. The example for where we can use a is a chair. Here C is a letter consonant, so we use A, and a school because S is a consonant here. A lion, L is again a consonant, so we use A in front of that. A bed, B a consonant. A man, M is again a consonant. And a woman, here W is also a consonant. Now moving ahead, the article an likes to listen the nouns that begins with vowel sound. So vowel sounds are A, E, I, O, U. Here you see they have specified that whenever you see vowels, you have to use an before them, like an elevator, E is a vowel. An egg, E is again a vowel. Proceeding to the next, elephant, an elephant because E is a vowel. An oven, where O is also falls in the vowel criteria. An ear, E is a vowel sound. An avocado, A is the first vowel sound. The last and the eldest sister, the definite article. It is used before nouns that are specific. The article can be used before singular as well as plural nouns, because we saw a is used before singular and an is used before vowels. So we will see the rules of using the definite article. It is used before the superlative degree of adjective, like the fastest runner. Fastest is a superlative degree. The best actor, best is the superlative form of good. The most intelligent officer, intelligent superlative degree is most. The second rule is before the nouns that are unique or their kind, like the moon, the sun, they are only the one, so we use the moon and the sun. The third one is before country names, the United States of America, the Republic of the Congo, because they contain common nouns. The fourth rule is before the country name that are plural in form, like the Philippines, the Netherlands. The fifth rule is before the names of well-known buildings or monuments, the Parliament House, the Taj Mahal. And sixth one, before the names of the rivers, seas and oceans, the Satluj, the Arabian Sea. Seventh one is before the names of mountain ranges and groups of islands. First example is the Himalayas, the Alps. These are the mountains and it is the name of a mountain. Eighth one, before the names of the newspapers, like the Times of India is popular in English newspaper. Ninth one, before the names of musical instruments, the sitar, the guitar. 10th one, before the names of the families, like the Bachchans. And the last one, the Roys. So in this slide you saw that we use the with some specified only things that are only one in the world or something special about them. Thank you.